Ms. Mbanjwa, let me just tabulate to me first what the points are you want to respond to so I can weigh them and see whether there is really a need for us to delay the commencement of Ms. Kwinana's evidence.
That is also our difficulty, Chair. When Ms. Hofmeyer talks, she is free to talk. And when we place something, and I think we were invited here as legal representatives.
No, Ms. Kwinana was...
Finish, Chair.
No. Ms. Kwinana was allowed to talk. You were allowed to talk. You have previously been allowed to talk.
No, Chair.
You are being allowed to talk, but I don't want you to take too long. I want to know in advance the points.
Let's put it on record now, Chair. I've not been allowed to talk because what I am here to do is to represent Ms. Kwinana. And the first thing I asked is not even a
Ms. Mbanjwa, I'm not going to allow you to waste this commission's time. Tell me the points on which you want to respond. Then I can assess whether it's necessary for me to give you time to respond on those points.
It's the letters, Chair.
What about the letters? What's the point about the letters?
We did not receive a response to the letters.
That's fine. You didn't receive yeah, that's fine. That's on record. You have now said it. What else? What other point do you want to address me on?
It's the fact that it is not correct to say we received the response to these letters. That is what I was addressing.
That's fine. If you say you did not receive the letters, as far as I'm concerned at this stage, I'm not even sure what's important about those letters for purposes of today. If you say you didn't receive those letters and Ms. Hofmeyer says you received the letters, for purposes of today, what's the importance of your response to that?
Thank you, Chair. The importance of these letters and the reason why they were written and the reason why a direct answer was needed is because we are taking the view that what Ms. Hofmeyer does is to make conclusions on evidence that has not been tested, and sometimes even incorrect conclusions. It is for that reason why we even provided the page on the letter to say, this is what you said, please find the source of the argument. But in any event, what we are going to do, Chair, the reason why we needed to put this thing on record is because we are going to ask for your assistance that whenever a conclusion is made, and that conclusion is not based on evidence, but is based on speculation or on the opinion of Ms. Hofmeyer, we be allowed to object to that evidence.
No, you see, Ms. Mbanjwa, Ms. Hofmeyer is not the chairperson of the commission. Ms. Hofmeyer is entitled to put certain propositions to a witness and give the witness an opportunity to respond to that. The witness is entitled to say, but your proposition has got no foundation, no factual foundation because of A, B, C, D. The witness gets that opportunity. Later on, when you get an opportunity to either present argument or make written submissions with regard to your client's evidence, you will be able to say the following propositions put to my client, to the witness by Ms. Hofmeyer were incorrect, blah, 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 blah. And when you re-examine your client, you are entitled to go to re-examine her on those propositions. So there is really, most of the time, no need to interrupt the proceedings because I will give you a chance to re-examine. And the purpose of re-examine is to clarify things that might not have been clarified during the questioning. So you will get that chance.
One last response, Chair. This is the second witness I'm coming with to the commission. You will recall that we have a witness who testified here in February. Up till today, we have not even received a date for the re-examination. That is number one. And secondly, the other prejudice which we suffer is this. When Ms. Hofmeyer makes these propositions, which we are of the respectful view that they are unfounded, and we are not allowed to respond. Let us say for argument's sake, because with the last witness, she took 5 days. And then when we asked for a chance to re-examine, we were told that we will only re-examine for 2 days. Now, if Mrs. Kwinana is going to be here for 2 days, using basic mathematical whatever, I think that we will only be given 15 minutes to re-examine. It is for that reason why we are saying, Chair, please, when a document is given to the witness, can she first, before a conclusion is made about the document?
No. Ms. Mbanjwa, you are not going to dictate to the evidence leader how to do her job. I now stop you from addressing me. I've asked you on what issues you want to address me. I now stop you from addressing me on those issues. I've had enough of you. We need to move on. Ms. Hofmeyer, go ahead and start questioning Ms. Kwinana.